Once your system is installed, it's easy to change out cartridges. First, turn off the cold water supply using the valve located beneath the sink. Turn on the faucet to release the water pressure. Remove cover. Disconnect the red SFC tubing from the green tubing at the union connector. Then, twist the old cartridge counterclockwise with a quarter turn and pull down gently to remove. Discard the spent cartridge. Repeat this step for additional cartridges. Install cartridges in the manifold, matching the circular symbol on the cartridge with the same symbol on the manifold. Line up the module ears on the filter cartridge. Insert the module and push it into the head until it is fully sealed. Twist the module a quarter turn to the right. Reconnect the red SFC tubing with the green tubing at the union connector. Turn the water back on, check for leaks, and replace the cover. Flush the system according to the manual. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy great tasting water.